Welcome to Seafarer's Log. Today, we're diving into one of the most significant international agreements in maritime history, MARPOL, the Marine Pollution Convention. Specifically, we'll be exploring MARPOL Annexes 1 to 5, which focus on preventing various types of pollution from ships. Whether you're a seafarer or just curious about how the maritime industry protects our oceans, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's begin with MARPOL Annex 1, adopted in 1983. This annex targets one of the biggest threats to our oceans, pollution caused by oil. Here's how it works. 1. Double hulls for tankers. Modern tankers are designed with double hulls to reduce the risk of oil spills. 2. Oil record books. Ships must document every oil transfer, discharge, or spillage to ensure accountability. 3. Oil discharge monitoring equipment, ODME. This ensures that any oily mixtures discharged into the sea are within strict limits, 15 parts per million, ppm, or less. 4. Sludge management. Engine room sludge must be handled and disposed of properly. Annex 1 is enforced through rigorous inspections and port state controls, protecting marine ecosystems from devastating oil spills. Next up is MARPOL Annex 2, adopted in 1987, which deals with noxious liquid substances carried in bulk, such as chemicals. These substances are categorized based on their environmental impact, X, most harmful, Y, Z, and other less harmful substances. To comply, ships must 1. Clean cargo tanks thoroughly. Tanks need specialized cleaning before loading new substances to avoid contamination. 2. Adhere to discharge limits. Discharges must meet strict criteria, especially near the shore. 3. Maintain cargo record books. Every cargo operation is documented for transparency. This annex minimizes the risks associated with chemical spills, protecting marine life from catastrophic damage. Now, let's talk about MARPOL Annex 3, adopted in 1992, which focuses on harmful substances in packaged form. Here are the key measures. 1. Proper cargo labeling. Hazardous materials must have clear, standardized markings. 2. Safe stowage and handling. Ensures no harmful substances leak during transit. 3. Immediate accident reporting. Any loss overboard must be reported to authorities. Annex 3 ensures dangerous goods like corrosive chemicals or toxic gases are safely secured while crossing the seas. MARPOL Annex 4, implemented in 2003, addresses sewage pollution, a significant but often overlooked issue. Here's how ships comply. 1. Install sewage treatment plants. These treat waste on board, reducing environmental harm. 2. Use holding tanks. For ships operating in areas without treatment facilities. 3. Follow discharge prohibition zones. Sewage discharge is banned in special areas unless treated and released more than 12 nautical miles from shore. This annex ensures cleaner waters and healthier marine ecosystems for everyone. Finally, let's cover MARPOL Annex 5, adopted in 1988, which tackles garbage pollution, one of the most visible threats to our oceans. It classifies waste into categories, such as plastics, food waste, and hazardous materials. Key regulations include 1. Garbage management plans. Ships must outline procedures for handling waste responsibly. 2. Garbage record books. Every discharge or incineration activity is logged. 3. Strict prohibition of plastic discharge. Dumping plastic into the sea is completely banned. Annex V encourages sustainable waste management, reducing harm to marine ecosystems. From oil spills to plastic waste, MARPOL Annexes 1 to 5 are vital in safeguarding our oceans. They highlight the shared responsibility between shipowners, seafarers, and port authorities. If you found this breakdown helpful, let us know in the comments. What aspect of MARPOL would you like us to cover next? Let's work together to keep our oceans clean, one regulation at a time. This is Seafarer's Log, signing off. See you next time. Drop your thoughts or questions below. And remember, every seafarer has a role in protecting the seas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.